Disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. This black chicken breed is known as the most attractive chicken breed in the world. Millions of black chickens, a beloved food not only in Southeast Asia, but also around the world. Annually, over 100 million kilograms of black chicken meat is consumed globally, meeting the growing demand for this unique product. Let's discover the secrets behind the quality and distinctive flavor of black chicken meat, a symbol of culinary refinement. Did you know? The development process of black chickens starts right from when they are still in the egg. Interestingly, black chickens do not hatch with black feathers. They begin their lives with yellow or white feathers, much like many other chicken breeds. Not only are they distinguished by their characteristic black feathers as adults, but black chicks also have several other interesting features. First, black chicks demonstrate exceptional adaptability from the earliest days of life. They are able to find food and water on their own just a few hours after hatching, which is faster than many other chicken breeds. This not only shows their independence, but also helps them develop quickly in a natural environment. Each vaccination day for the chickens is like an eagerly awaited annual event, where each chick is invited to participate in a health festival. This is not just an opportunity for the chicks to receive a protective armor against diseases. The vaccination day is a force of healthy chicks, ready to face the challenges of life outside the coop without fear of illness. With this health armor, the chicks not only grow strong, but also spread joy, transforming each day at the chicken farm into a real festival. In summary, vaccinating chicks at the farm is not just a medical measure, but also a part of the art of nurturing and protecting the health of each individual in a joyful and professional environment, ensuring a bright future for the black chickens. Adult black chickens are not just a rare breed, but also possess many surprising and interesting qualities. Nutritionally, black chicken meat is not only flavorful, but also contains high levels of protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, enhancing its value in family meals and high-end restaurants. This rich nutritional content makes black chicken meat a top choice for those who are health and nutrition conscious. The diet of mature chickens during this stage is meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive and balanced nutritional feast. Each meal is a delicate combination to meet the specific needs of the black chickens during this stage of development. It's not just about nourishment, it ensures that the quality of the chicken meat reaches its peak flavor. Every component in the diet is carefully selected to enhance immune function, improve feather quality, and maximize growth potential. In terms of reproduction, black chickens maintain a high reproduction rate. This capability not only helps stabilize and expand the population of black chickens, but also brings significant profits to farms. Investing in this breed often yields high economic returns, making them a top choice for breeders due to their stable growth and efficient reproductive abilities. Black chicken meat is considered a premium product in many cultures, particularly in Asian countries such as China, Vietnam, and Thailand. The uniqueness of black chicken meat, with its dark, tender flesh and rich flavor, makes it a luxury dish, often featured in high-end restaurants and during festive occasions. The price of black chicken meat is typically significantly higher than that of common chicken breeds. Black chickens are recognized not only for their distinctive appearance, but also for their unique health benefits. Most notably in the medical field, black chickens are considered not just food, but a valuable medicinal resource. In traditional medicine, they are often used in remedies that enhance health. In traditional Chinese medicine, black chicken meat is believed to replenish vital energy in blood, aid in recovering from physical debility, and boost the immune system. Their popularity in these medicinal applications also enhances their commercial value.